the homework is slide 8, 7 or 8. Mostly it's 8, okay? I will show all slides for today's homework. Let's do this first. Let's have, oh, I didn't finish this. Same, no solution because slopes are the same. That's the first one. Now, first thing you need to do is solve this into slope-intercept form. So you have to add 4x to both sides here. Okay, we'll do it. Add 4x to both sides. That works for 4x, negative 4x, that makes 0. But if you add, you can't add 4x to the 12. So I'm going to put it on top or to the side like that, and then copy everything that's left because they're not the same. All of them are different. Notice that 2y equals to 12 and plus the 4x. None of them are the same to make 0 because of the plus sign right there. And then you divide all of them by 2. Divide by the number next to y because we want y to be by itself. So divide by that 2. Okay, divide by that 2 there. And you get y equals to 6 plus 2 if you divide each one of them. So your answer is y equals to 6 plus the 2x. You take that answer and compare it to this one here, the other line for the system. And you noticed that the slope are different. Once the slope are different, it's going to be one solution. Okay, and this one is no solution because slope are the same and y-intercept is different. Are different. Okay, there'll be no solution. That means the lines are parallel. Okay. In this one here, the slopes are different. That's going to mean that there will be one solution. That means they connect one time, right? We don't know where at. We can use substitution. You'll learn that later. Using substitution. Okay, so same thing for this one here. We go ahead and solve for y for this equation there, and by first making the x equal to 0 by minusing 10x to both sides. Okay, and minus 10x to this side, and notice that the other 10 doesn't have an x, so you can't subtract them. This one you can, gets you 0. That's a negative 2y. Minus 2y is a negative 2y. That's going to equal to 10 minus 10x. Okay, divide all of them by the 2. Divide all of them by the 2. Okay, divide by the 2. Like that, and then you get, oh, the negative 2. Ooh, I am wrong because you don't get a divide by a negative 2. You don't get a 1 there. You got a negative 1. That's how I knew it was wrong. Okay, so divide by a negative 2 here to get a 1 upon y, or just y. We get y equals, that's negative 5. 10 divided by negative 2 is 5. The other one is a positive because you have 2 negatives right here. It's a positive, positive 5x. Okay. compare that, and because the slope, compare that with this one here, notice the slope are the same, 5x. Slopes are the same, 5, 5. The lines will be parallel, there'll be no solution. Okay, and then tonight is to finish all the Pear Deck and do the benchmark if you have not finished. Okay, and going back, this is slide 7, slide 6, slide 5, slide 4, slide 3, slide 2, and if you didn't do Quizzes, it's on your Google Classroom in the stream part. And again, make sure you finish this Pear Deck and the benchmark.